hold on. And you unplugged it, right? Show me the plug. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to get into the car. I'm going to start the car up. The Volt.